Welcome students. Today we are doing the topic presentation of data and in it types of diagrammatic presentations. Diagrammatic presentations में 3 types की presentations होती हैं. First is geometric form, second frequency diagram, third arithmetic line. We have already done geometric form including bar diagrams and pie diagrams. Today we are doing frequency diagrams including histogram, polygon and ogive. Starting with histogram. Histogram is also like bar diagram. इसमें भी कुछ rectangles prepare करते हैं हम और rectangles की length change हो सकती है according to data, but width same होती है, ठीक है. But difference कहाँ है? जब हम bar diagram को हम discrete series पर prepare करते हैं और histogram को हम कंटिन्यूअस सीरीज के डाटा पे प्रिपेयर करते हैं. अगर हमें डिस्क्रीट सीरीज का डाटा गिवन है, मतलब हमें x और f गिवन है, तो हम क्या बनाएंगे? बार डायग्राम. बट अगर हमें कंटिन्यूअस सीरीज का x और f गिवन है लाइक दिस, देन वी विल प्रिपेयर आवर हिस्टोग्राम. दिस इज द डाटा ऑफ अ कंटिन्यूअस सीरीज. तो इस पे हम बनाते हैं हिस्टोग्राम. सो लेट्स प्रिपेयर अ हिस्टोग्राम. Y-axis, X-axis, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. As you all know, the difference should be same. You can make it with the help of a scale. Then in Y-axis we will show number of students. On X-axis we have shown marks. Always here we have to show x, and this is our x and this is our frequency f. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20 number of students. Clear? 0 to 10 5 स्टूडेंट्स. सो 0 to 10 में 5 स्टूडेंट्स आएंगे. आप यहां से लाइन स्टार्ट कीजिए और यहां से लाइन स्टार्ट कीजिए. 0 to 10. क्लियर? देन 10 to 20 इज 10. 10 to 20 में कितने आएंगे? 10. तो इसे आप 10 तक ले जाइए. ट्वेंटी टू 30 15. 15 कहाँ आएगा? यहाँ पर. ठीक है. तो आप स्केल की हेल्प से इसे ऐसे मार्क कर सकते हैं. थर्टी टू 40 20. सो मार्किंग हेयर. 40 to 50 12. 50 to 60 8. 60 to 70 4. The basic difference from bar diagram and histogram is there is no difference between the rectangles. The rectangles are together. ठीक है? Showing the values 5, 10, 15, 20, 12, 8 and 4. This diagram is called histogram. Histogram is of 2 types: equal class intervals and unequal class interval. This question relates from equal class interval. The class intervals are same: 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60 and 60 to 71. Each class interval is of 10 magnitude. Magnitude क्या है सबका? 10 है. Another question is of unequal class interval. But unequal class interval से पहले हम second type करते हैं. That is polygon. First मैंने आपको बताया histogram. Second is polygon and third is ogive. Histogram में 2 types है: equal class intervals, अनइक्वल क्लास इंटरवल्स. हमने इक्वल कर लिया नेक्स्ट हम कर रहे हैं फर्स्टली पॉलीगन. Polygon is also a diagrammatic presentation of data. In it, we join the midpoints of histogram. We will take all midpoints of histogram and join it with the help of a scale. For it, you have to braid the line, then take a scale and join them. Clear? Now you can see that there are some areas which are included and there are some areas which are excluded. ये जो areas हैं ये exclude हुए हैं like this. तो इसके लिए हम क्या करते हैं, हम इस line को raise करते हैं up to point this. इसका 0 to 10 है, यहाँ पर आ जाएगा -10. इसका हम half ले लेते हैं और यहाँ पर इसे grade कर देते हैं. Same as on the right side. Now this histogram is converted into a polygon. Clear? So polygon आपको clear हो गया. It is also a diagrammatic presentation which is made with the help of a histogram. Polygon can also be made without help of histogram. How? By taking midpoints. Like midpoint of 0 to 10 is 5. So midpoints are 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55, 65 and same as frequency 5, 10, 15, 20, 12, 8, 4. These midpoints and frequencies are to be plotted and then same joined with the scale. This is also called a polygon. Clear? Next we are moving towards unequal class interval histogram. Unequal class intervals में सी 0 to 10 नहीं है यहाँ पर क्या है 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25, 25 to 30. तो आप इसकी मैग्नीट्यूड लिख लीजिए. अनइक्वल क्लास इंटरवल कितना है 5, then 5, again 5, again 5, then 10, then 20, then 20. Now how this question is to be done? Firstly, we will take the least class interval. Least class interval is 5. Then divide each and every with the least class interval. 5 by 5 is 1. Again 5 by 5 is 1. 5 by 5 is 1. 5 by 5 is 1. 10 by 5 is 2. 20 by 5 is 4. And again 20 by 5 is 4. Now from these frequency is to be divided. Frequency को हमने किया 7 by 1 is 7, 10 by 1 is 10, 27 by 1 is 27, 15 by 1 is 15, 12 by 2 is 6, 12 by 4 is 3 and 8 by 4 is 2. Now what is to be done? These marks are to be plotted with these frequencies. Which frequencies? 7, 10, 27, 15, 6, 3 and 2. Clear? And same histogram will be made like this. Y-axis, x-axis. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. Here number of students are in the range of 2, 3, 6, 15, 20, 5 का गैप ले लेते हैं हम. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Number 1, 10 to 15. सो 10 to 15 का जो बार है वो कितना है 7, तो 5 6 7 8 9, 6 7 पे आप बना लीजिए 10 to 15, then 15 to 20 10, 20 to 25 27, okay, 27, so make it 30. Then 20, 30 or 15. Six is from 30 to 40. 40 to 63. 60 to 82. 2, 3, 6, 15, 27, 10 and 7. This point can be shown or cannot be shown. It's your choice. Clear? So this is our unequal class interval histogram. Next we will do ogive. What is an ogive? Ogive is a cumulative frequency diagram. When we cumulate the frequencies, means add up the frequencies. It is of two types, less than ogive and more than ogive. This is the example of ogive. Ogive is of two types, less than and more than. So how we will convert this data for less than ogive? लेस देन ओगिव का मतलब है लेस देन 20. इसमें हम क्या लेते हैं अपर लिमिट. अपर लिमिट इज 20, सो वी विल टेक लेस देन 20, लेस देन 40, लेस देन 60, लेस देन 80, लेस देन 100. क्लियर? ये हमारा हो गया x. देन व्हाट इज द f? f इज नाउ cf, क्यूमुलेटिव फ्रीक्वेंसी. व्हाट इज टू बी रिटन? क्यूमुलेटिव frequency, CF. Now less than 20, 10. Less than 40 क्या होगा? 10 plus 20, 30. Less than 60 क्या होगा? 10 plus 20 plus 40 means 70. Then less than 80 में 20 और ऐड हो गए 90. And less than 100 becomes 100. Now this data is to be represented. How? y एक्सिस, x एक्सिस. y एक्सिस पे आ जाएगी हमारी फ्रीक्वेंसी, मतलब नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स, और यहाँ आएंगे वीकली वेजेस. यू हैव टू राइट इट फुल, नहीं तो आपके नंबर्स कट हो जाएंगे. सो 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100. In this you have to only mark less than 20 is 10. There is a mark a dot. Less than 40 is 30. Then 70. Then 90 and 100. Now join these all with a free hand. This is our less than ogive. Clear? Now we will make more than ogive. For more than ogive, we will start from the lower limit of last class interval. More than 100. Sorry, more than 80. Lower limit. More than 80 is 10. More than 60. 10 plus 20, 30. More than 40 plus 30. How much? 70. Then more than 20. more than 20 कितना हो गया, ये भी ऐड कर लो 90. एंड more than 0. more than 0 कितना हो गया, ये भी ऐड कर लो 100. ठीक है. now this is to be plotted on 0 how much, 100. then on 20 it's 90. on 40 it is 70. on 60 it is 30. sorry, yes. on 80 it is 10. then these are to be joined. it is our more than ogive. These ogives can be made as per requirement in the same diagram or in different diagrams also. This topic is complete. Thank you so much. Please like and share my video.